Nom nom nom. This here is Jens Jr. stuffing his face. That there, that's seed, which is fortified. And I was just in fact coming to refill that. Oops, and now we've got Little Boom. He fancies a feed as well. He really buries his head in it. I mean, he sort of, you know, he can get right down to the very bottom. But what I generally do is, oh, and now we've got Bonnie. Bonnie wants to feed as well. What I generally tend to do is when they're like this, I will remove the container that's here on the outside and put it on the inside, because they eat from that less. And I'll remove the one from the inside and put it on the outside, because that will still probably be more or less full. And then what will happen is they'll knock over the one on the inside, which will spill the seed, and they'll then just eat it like that. Because the problem with just topping things up is, of course, at the bottom it never gets eaten and it's old and it's not very nice. But in the same way, you don't want to be chucking that all away, because that is very, very expensive seed there. So that's the sort of system I have going on here. That's it, get your face right in it. Now these birds don't, but Jens, the original Jens, he used to have a good method of dehusking things like this. He used to actually go through and sift out all the husks, because obviously they don't eat the husks, and he used to throw them over the side and onto the floor so that he could get to the ones underneath. These ones tend to just sort of push them up to one side, you see. It's higher at that side than it is at this side, and some of that will just be husks. I don't really like to interrupt them. This is why I usually do this on a sort of night time when it's dark. Well, when this time of year it's dark, usually. But of course, I'm. This is my Saturday early, so I'm a little bit earlier here than I would usually be. Little Boom is growing pin feathers. He's all itchy, but he's still keeping his spirits up. You can hear him singing, clicking and making funny noises. Jamie, not doing very much. That's Jens Jr. there. That's Joshua, wherever he's gone. Yep, that's Joshua. And Bonnie, where's Bonnie? Where is Bonnie? That's a good question, actually. She's... oh, that's Bonnie. Nope, 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 that's Joshua. Where's Bonnie? There's Bonnie. I think. Yeah.